Now you want to set up camp, so let's see, we want to go.
Did you push both those buttons again?
No, it's as long as that light's on, you're good to go.
Okay.
Sometimes that won't come out,
yeah,
and you just have to put it in gear and just don't give it any gas. Just put it in reverse and then just burn it. Let your foot off the brake, and it'll move a little bit, and then stop it, and then it'll.
But let me show you what I had to do for my very first time ever parking this thing or backing it up. So I came down from up there. I made a right into here. It's quite narrow. There's Myrtle. But look, I had to back into this. And there's a tree right there that is in the way, a tree right there that's in the way, these trees in the way, and this tree in the way. So I had to pull way in there, almost up to that guy's tent, right up there, to get even. Thankfully the rangers, I don't know if they care, but I was backing up, or driving on off the road. But look at this amazing campsite. Absolutely beautiful. More to come. Okay. So you just push it, you don't have to hold it. The button. Until it starts flashing.
Yeah, this is wait. Okay.